How to write 125 thousandths in standard form. That is, standard form means we have to use digit like 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. So just translate this 125, then thousands. Okay, TACs. This means this is a decimal number. Look, decimal number has whole number part and fractional part. The first column of fractional part is called tenth column, then hundredths column, then thousands column. Before decimal, we have ones, tens, hundreds column. Okay, so this is thousand. Thousand means 1/1000. Okay, and before this thousand, we have 125. Consider this as a whole number, 125, right here. So 125 times 1000 if you translate. Now multiply 125 divided by 1000. This is a power of 10. 10 to the power 3 means 100, 1000. Now count the number of zeros. Here number of zeros is 3. So decimal point will move 3 places from right to left. 1, 2, 3. So we can rewrite this as decimal 125. So this is 125,000. Look here, 125,000. This means out of 1000 equal parts we are considering 125 parts.